Arutwo matanyiheire milioni 1.3 nio mekire kigeranio gya KPSEA muthiaini wa mwaka muhituku na ona gutuika othe matanyitwo kuingira thiini wa ngathi ya junior secondary ciumia 3 hituku. Ministry ya githomo yugite makiria ya arutwo 200,000 matiuikaine kuria mari.
We have registered by Monday about 900 almost getting to 1 million. There are 201,000 students who have not been able to register in any of the junior secondary schools.
Machogu augite kuhitukira maafitha a wathani wa matura, thirikari ni gukorwo kiambiriria mungururio wa gucaria arutwo aya, oho akiuga ni mongereire ihinda kuri aciari aria maraingiria arutwo form 1.
We are now applying a multi-agency approach where we are requesting the chiefs and assistant chiefs, the interior ministry to assist each other with my officers on the ground to make sure that each and every child gets into a junior secondary school.
Aciari ciĩgiĩ arugamiriri a thukuru aria marandikithia arutwo a grade ya 7 gweka kigeranio gya KCPE muthiaini wa mwaka uyu, Machogu augite kuhitukira mutambo wa NEMIS riboti cia arutwo othe ni ikoretwo ikieruhio o mwaka, akiuga ministry ya githomo ndigukungirio wara.
People who were in standard 7 last year who have gone to standard 8, they are properly captured under NEMIS, so that any parent transferring his or her child to another school, probably from levels 7 to 8, that will not be acceptable. And within the NEMIS system, it will not be accepted, it will not be captured.
Machogu ekwaragia o hindi ya gikaro na arugamiriri a thukuru cia kothi cia moko kuma kaunti ciothe bururi-ini aria meitururire makiuria thirikari kugacirithia mirutire yao ya wira, makienda kuongererwo gwa kigena gya TVET, kuongererwo kwa namba ya aruti a wira, kuigananirio mishara, kubo gwa kamiti ya kurumbuia mateta mao hamwe na mangĩ.
Truth be told, we are not comfortable in the public service. We are still looking for your support so that we can have technical trainers service council so that we can be able to manage our own affairs.
Thirikari kuhitukira kamiti ya uruti wira wa muingi nirekereirie marua ma kwambatiria ngathi makiria ya arugamiriri na arutani 3,000 hamwe na kuongererwo kwa namba ya aruti a wira.
We are improving your terms, Chairman, and we will not stop there because we even want to make it better as the economy continues to improve.
Mwaka uyu thirikari itanyite kwandikithia makiria ya arutwo 300,000 thiini wa thukuru cia TVET, na ona gutuika mathomo ma kothi cia moko nimo mekirirwo na njira nene, thirikari yugite ndikunina mathomo ma biashara.
Business will require ICT, will require entrepreneurial skills, and we cannot totally do away with them. So we are encouraging an institution to have at least 80% technical and probably about 20% business courses.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wadiro.
There were people who are getting